Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you. We're diving into the world of making money online. Yeah, you heard that right. And guess what? I've got not one, not two, but 6 killer ways to help you rake in that cash from the comfort of your own space. Now, if you're thinking, wait, making money online? That's a scam. Hold on a sec. These methods are not only legit, but they're structured to take you from where you are now to a seriously lucrative position. Whether you're a beginner or a pro at this, stick around because this could change the game for you. So, let's break it down. We'll start easy. The first 2 methods? They're like your warm-up. Just an hour a day and you could cover your rent. Easy peasy, right? First up, paid surveys. Yep, those surveys you see pop up sometimes. Turns out, they're not just time killers. Spend an hour daily giving honest opinions, and boom. Slowly but surely, you've got yourself a steady income stream. But hey, honesty is key here. Stray off and you might miss out on those payments. Next, we've got transcription. It's like typing out what you hear in videos or audios. Platforms like Rev.com or TranscribeMe can hook you up with gigs. Invest a bit more time, 1 to 2 hours daily, and soon enough, your rent's sorted. Now, here's where things get interesting. Ever thought about YouTube as a moneymaker? Yeah, it's not just for cat videos. It takes some serious commitment, around 6 to 18 months, but once you hit that monetization status, ka-ching. Your earnings could skyrocket. And then there's affiliate marketing. This one's a bit like partnering up with product creators and selling their stuff. It's not a walk in the park, though. You've got to learn the ropes, but once you do, the payoff can be huge. Drop shipping's another one. It's like having an online store without dealing with inventory or shipping. But warning, it's a bit more effort compared to affiliate marketing. Now, the secret sauce? TikTok. Yeah, it's not just for dance challenges. There's serious cash to be made there, especially if you subtly promote stuff in your videos. Surprising, right? In a nutshell, each of these methods is a different path to online success. Experiment, stick with what vibes with you, and don't expect overnight success. It takes dedication, but trust me, it's worth it. And hey, for more on TikTok's money game, check out the video I've linked below. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but with these strategies, you might just build your own empire. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.